On my recent trip to South Australia, I had a chance to visit a truly remarkable place, the Blue Lake in Mount Gambier. What fascinated me most wasn't just its stunning color, but the story behind it. How a violent natural event thousands of years ago eventually became the main drinking water source for an entire city. Stay with me as we explore the science, history, and significance of Blue Lake. Blue Lake is part of the Mount Gambier Volcanic Complex, which represents the most recent volcanic activities on the Australian mainland. Long before European settlement, the Boandik people, the traditional custodians of this land, knew the lake as War, meaning home of the crow. Volcanic activity in this region dates back around 28,000 years, but the events that shaped the Blue Lake itself occurred much later, around 4,000 to 6,000 years ago. During this period, lava rose through fractures in the limestone and flowed across the land surface. As it cooled, it formed a dense basalt layer up to 20 meters thick. Later, groundwater percolated down through volcanic conduits and came into contact with the still hot lava. This water instantly converted into superheated steam, causing pressure to build beneath the basalt layer. Eventually, that pressure was released in a series of powerful explosions, blasting gas-rich molten material through the surface. This process formed what is known as a Maar, a broad, shallow volcanic crater created by free-to-magmatic eruptions. Once the volcanic activity ceased, groundwater levels recovered, and the crater gradually filled with water, forming what we now know as Blue Lake. One of the Blue Lake's most famous features is its seasonal color change. During winter, the lake appears still gray, but during the warmer season, from November to March, it transforms into a vivid cobalt blue. This striking shift is caused by seasonal stratification within the lake. In summer, warmer surface waters lead to the precipitation of microscopic crystals of dissolved limestone. These tiny particles scatter blue wavelengths of light more effectively than others, giving the lake its intense blue color. Blue Lake has a surface area of approximately 60 to 70 hectares and a shoreline circumference of about 5 kilometers. It is steep-sided with a relatively flat bottom. While the water surface itself is impressive, the volcanic crater is even larger, measuring roughly 1,200 meters by 824 meters. The lake holds an estimated 36 to 37 gigaliters of water with a maximum depth of around 72 to 77 meters. By the late 19th century, people began to recognize Blue Lake's potential as a reliable water source. In 1883, reticulated water supply from Blue Lake officially began with the construction of a pumping station. Over time, the system was expanded and modernized, including the development of an electrified pumping station by the 1970s. Today, Blue Lake is the primary source of drinking water for the city of Mount Gambier, serving a population of around 28,000 people. SA Water currently extracts approximately 3.5 to 3.6 gigaliters per year, about 10% of the lake's total volume. Blue Lake is groundwater fed and is effectively an exposed window into Gambier limestone aquifer. However, scientists have noted that current extraction rates are close to the upper limit of natural recharge. To ensure long-term water security, SA Water is now exploring diversified water sources. Recent studies are also examining how drier rainfall patterns and climate change could affect groundwater recharge and lake levels over the next 30 years and beyond. Blue Lake is a powerful reminder of how Earth's ecological past continues to shape our present and future. What began as a violent volcanic explosion thousands of years ago is now a vital, carefully managed water resource for an entire community. Understanding stories like this helps us appreciate not only the beauty of natural systems, but also the responsibility we have to manage them sustainably. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Please also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one.